Hello guys, and welcome back to your girl's channel. So, as you can see from the title of the video, this is going to be a soft glam type beat, you know? And I know I didn't mention this in the video. On my lips, I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Tuscany. Looks like this. I don't know if I mentioned it in the video or not. I don't think I did. I don't think I showed me applying it, but this is what I'm wearing. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching.
Word is that you're back in town, hoping maybe I can see you around. Last time that we had spoke, you called me from a plane saying you were pretty far from home. Said I should find someone new. Well, I was spending all my time writing songs for you, and then I began to feel what I feared most. That's being all alone, never finding love this close. Hey shorty, I've been thinking, so deep these feels are sinking. Maybe we could rekindle this flame. I'm burning for you, but don't play me, I'm not faking. These walls once held are shaking. I need you now, I'm craving. Please tell me you're still down for this. Tell me that you're down for this. You fell into my heart like a deep up inside. Can't begin to stress about the time we've missed since you've been gone. Baby, it's been too long. Hoping we can reminisce. This feeling for your girl, I can't dismiss. Your touch and your subtle kiss. I need, girl, please, hey, tell me that you're down for this. We've been on to something. The people think it's nothing. Don't need no bifocals to see this love that's by coastal. I've been fiending for your heart. I've been trying from the start. I'm making a conscious effort to take us both on a new adventure. I'll make all the time you need. Sugar, when you look at me, staring in your eyes, and I can see that you and me surely are meant to be. Finally got our timing right, captivating conversation late at night. Won't miss my chance, I'ma take this risk. So please, my love, tell me that you're down for this. Tell me that you're down for this. You fell into my heart like a deep up inside. Can't begin to stress about the time we've missed since you've been gone. Baby, it's been too long. Hoping we can reminisce. This feeling for your girl, I can't dismiss. Your touch and your subtle kiss. I need, girl, please, hey, tell me that you're down for this. Word is that you're back in town, hoping maybe I can see you around.